Hello and welcome to Helfand Farm Community Gardens. My name is Ben, and today we have plants for sale. That's right, our big annual plant sale fundraiser is this coming weekend, May 19th and 20th, Saturday and Sunday, from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And as you can see, we've got all sorts of summer and spring vegetables for sale, a little bit of flowers too. All the vegetables this year are grown by us, and when you buy from us, you help support the community garden. Now, we're an all-volunteer nonprofit, so your money really goes far with us, and we also help grow food for local soup kitchens, and part of that is right here. Got some tomatoes growing in the ground, some lettuce that was just harvested, some cucumbers and squash. And the other reason you should consider buying from us is because the health of the plants, as you can see, is just fantastic. We use only natural techniques when growing these plants. We use plant and mineral-based fertilizers. We use all natural methods. This year, we have been experimenting with some plant probiotics, some of which are bacteria and fungi that colonize the root systems of the plants and allow them to be more healthy for the duration of the growing season. Now, I've grown some of these plants before, grown by Marlene and our volunteers, side by side with plants I've bought elsewhere, and they always outperform the other plants. They're always healthier, always bigger. They just always do a lot better. So it's something that we're honestly only able to do because we have the volunteer labor to really pamper these plants, and because we don't have to pay anyone a salary, we're able to put the extra money into the plants themselves. For example, we use a potting mix. I'll show you. Vermont compost. It's probably the best you can buy, but it's also pricey. We're actually thinking of making our own potting mix next year, and maybe seeing if we can make something even better. But the sale will be rain or shine. As you can see, it's inside our greenhouse, and I'm going to take you outside briefly because I'd like to show you our compost. Now, this is the first year we're going to be doing this. Usually we just order compost for our gardeners, but we've had enough requests that we're going to make some available to our plant sale customers. You can see we have two separate sources here, and it's all marked with a sign with the price and where it came from. It's all from South Dartmouth, Massachusetts, and really high quality stuff. And trust me, it was hard to track all this down, but if you bring your own buckets, you can buy some from us as part of the fundraiser. We really appreciate the support. Or we can measure it out for you and just put it in your truck or your tote or your other container. We have a third pile down there from another source from Dartmouth here, Dartmouth, Massachusetts. And this is our soup kitchen garden. As you can see, everything's in full swing. We have strawberries, a bunch of alliums in front, some green beans over there, celery. Under the cloth we have spinach, beets, chard. In the back we have potatoes, lettuce, asparagus that we just started, some carrots that we seeded. And this is all for local soup kitchens, which are help supporting when you buy plants from us. They generally don't have access to fresh produce, so we're really trying to fill an unmet need in the local community, and I think we're doing a pretty good job at it. We've already made several deliveries of fresh greens to local soup kitchens. But yeah, we'd love to see you on Saturday and Sunday. We'd love the support. May 19th and 20th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. That's all for today. I hope everyone has a great day and a better tomorrow.